I made over $450,000 on Instagram and grew up to over 275,000 following organically with a completely new account. In this video, I'll share with you my top 5 Instagram tips that got me there so you can do the same. Grab your coffee and notebook, let's chat and do watch until the end. There is a surprise bonus for you. Before that, hi, I'm Irfana Izzat, an online entrepreneur who depends on Instagram for a living. I have also been a regular Instagram user since the beginning of Instagram. Let's get started with the tips, shall we? Tip number 1, do not try to be very unique in the beginning. This happens a lot. Sometimes we think we need to come up with the most unique idea which nobody has ever thought about. We don't need to reinvent the wheel. This is not at all required. Instagram actually works most with trends. And there's a quote, it says success leaves trails. So take all of your favorite creators and the people that you aspire to be, look at what they posted from the beginning and follow their footsteps. I would highly suggest to model viral reels which has got more than 100,000, 200,000 or even 1 million views. If something has worked one time on Instagram, it has a lot of potential to work again. Now, make sure the term I used is model, not copy. Always add your elements into the content. The correct balance is to have a mix of both worlds. Try both. If one day you're posting a reel that already went viral, the next day post an original content. So try mixing both of this and hopefully it will work out for you. Tip number 2, consistency. Yeah, I know you already know this, but listen to me. This is serious. You have to be extremely consistent. Even if you can post up to 2 or even 3 videos a day, that will be good. Never ever take breaks on social media. The more you post, the more Instagram notices you and starts pushing your content. They love hard workers. They love to see people spending more time on their app. This is actually said by the head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri himself. It is easier to grow a new account than to bring back an old account. Instagram favors new accounts. So once you create a new account, start posting content ASAP. Whether you're having a sad, tough, moody day or you fought with your spouse, nothing matters. Keep posting content on Instagram. In my early days of building my account, I used to even post up to 3 times a day. You got to be a content posting machine, and with this experience, you will also start to become confident in the way you speak and also editing your videos. If you liked my tips until now, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. So tip number 3, following the algorithm. Do not work against the algorithm, go together with algorithm. Whether we like it or not, we need to check what is working on Instagram. Instagram algorithm changes a lot, so it's actually hard to keep up. But recently the head of Instagram said that they value shares a lot, which means try to make content that has the potential for people to share with each other. Like, really think about it. If you post this content, will people share it to each other? And do not hesitate to add call to actions, not only in the descriptions but also in the content itself. You can mention, share this to your friend, share it to your partner. People, when they're scrolling on Instagram, they're not conscious, so you have to give them instructions and mostly they would follow. And some additional suggestion is, do not add reels with watermarks or logos. Keep your reel less than 3 minutes. Use trending or interesting audios or sounds. Tip number 4, experiment. And this is not just with reels, with carousels as well. There is one carousel that my husband had made in Canva. It got more than 217 likes, 6 million views and 60k shares. There's also another post that I made. It got around 62k likes, 58k views. If you're someone that is actually serious on making money on Instagram, don't hesitate to comment and reach out to me. My Instagram username is @irfana.izzat.official, and I'll share with you all of the details of my mentorship program. There's a new feature that Instagram has recently introduced. It is trial reels. So what this feature does is it sends your content to non-followers. So basically you can check and test if that content has a potential to blow up, and then you can put it to your new followers. So do make sure that you are trying this feature. I think it's safe to test a content in this way. And if you're somebody who cannot plan well and you cannot come up with content all the time, a really good idea is to start with a series format. It can be like anything: 100 days of posting consistently, 10 days of modest fashion, 15 days of healthy snack ideas. Instead of saying follow me, if you have a series, people will automatically come and follow you to see more content that you're posting. The last tip is stories. Unlike before, if you post a lot of stories, the views actually drop right now. So the good strategy is to just post one story. After all your stories is gone, post one story, and I am guaranteeing you this will get you more views. Also, make sure you are using all of the other features in the story. For example, like there is emojis that you can put which people can react or engage. Whenever I put that, my views go up. Post Q&A, like make your audience engage with you. Also, something else which has worked for me is give them something for free, and if they reply a particular word, they will get that freebie. This has increased my views to even 20,000, 30,000. Right now in stories, it is not at all about the quantity, it is about the quality. So 1 to 2 stories is pretty good enough. These are my top 5 tips that has worked for me in Instagram and helped me to make over 450,000 US dollars. If I can do it, so can you. The only question is, will you take action? And I know Instagram can be a long, time-consuming journey, but I promise you, it's worth it. So many people have found success through Instagram, and right now, it's one of the best ways to make money online, and don't sleep on this opportunity. So, if you want my free beginner's guide, drop the comment learn, and I'm going to be sending it to you. Thank you for watching my video.